I just really want to see what happens. This is a metal chip bag. I want to see what happens if I put it in the microwave. Apparently it's supposed to like shrivel up and become a mini microwave, but I find that really, mini chip bag, but I find that incredibly difficult to believe. So let's see if I can focus on the bag side. You can see the original there. Put it on for a minute. Oh wow! Look at that. That was quite fast. Let's take a look at the chip bag. Oh, the door's in the way. Yeah. That is a mini chip bag. I got exactly what I expected. Holy crap. Wow, that was quite the experience. It's like a little mini party mix bag. Oh, it's sticky. Ah. Look, you can almost just read the the nutritional facts. It really is a little party mix bag. That's quite funny. Too bad it melted, or else that'd be even cuter. Yeah. Thanks for watching.